the northeastern part of Siberia, in the Arctic Circle, is situated Republic of Sakha-Yakutia. Team Sata Uus is from the area Sata, small Yakutian village near Kangalassi, which is situated in the western part of Yakutia. The Sakha have had strong blacksmith traditions for hundreds of the years. The Sakha have a strong traditions of knife making and continue to produce their unique type of knives to this day. The Yakut knives is one of the best in the world. Like Irish iron is a brand now, the same way Sata iron is also a brand in Yakutia. Smelting as an art is not forgotten here. Each family still have either knife or dew harp or humus, traditional musical instrument. One of the famous blacksmiths from Sata, Aриан Афанасьев, is smith in the 10th generations, works with his manufactured smelting crafts and local high carbon steel, silver and gold. Traditional, not modern way. And every woman has Yakut national jewelry, ilinka behead, udarga, earrings and so on. Blacksmiths were an important part of the Yakutian culture and were highly regarded for their ability to transform metal into tools and weapons. According to the legend, blacksmiths were even more powerful than shaman and have supernatural power to work with the spirit of fire. Head of Nюрбинский district and Кангаласский village have greeting organizers and participants of Woodford Furnace Festival 2020, and we should never forget traditions of smelting.
So, Nörü, what does it mean? Welcome to Yakutia. We are greeting you from the Sata area. This is Нюрбинский district of the Republic of Sakha-Yakutia. And we are greeting organizers and all the participants of the Festival Woodford Furnace Festival 2020. I want to introduce our team.
Hello, my name is Aриан Афанасьев. I am a blacksmith in tennis generation from Sata Кангаласский Нюрба, Republic of Sakha-Yakutia. Урой Айкал!
Very nice, and this is team of our blacksmiths. They are working like 1,000, maybe 100 years ago. Nothing is changed in their work. As you can see, there's production of our masters. You can see here Yakutian knife. This is a hunter's knife, which have in every family and using till now. Technology is very old and didn't change at all till now. So it's very sharp, as you know. Even if you don't believe, you can check it with Wikipedia. It's written about a Yakutian knife. It's really our national heritage. So it's different ways to do these knives. For example, this one is from the two kind of metals, and it's boiled like a soup. Can you imagine? About 4 hours in the water. Metal is this blade is boiled in the water, and after there is a very sharp knife like this. So another one is Damascus. Damascus steel is also very sharp. It's from the different 4 types of the metal mixed. Also very sharp. Damask from the Arabic language can translate like a water because it reminds the surface of the water. You can see very sharp, very modern, very nice. You can check it. Look. So, except knife is also we have our national musical instrument called Jew harp or vargan or humus. You maybe already hear the voice of this musical instrument. Arian, please. Can you listen for our guests the sound of humus? It's really some mysterious sounds. Can you hear it now? It's really fantastic sounds, really, it's majestic. Because several years ago, our smith was like a shaman. They are even higher, more powerful. We believe in this, really, because they are working with the fire and water and can do from the metal different things, right? So also, we're gonna check now how sharp is. I told that it's sharp, but I didn't show you how sharp is it. So, my helper will show us how it's work. You can have a look. Yakutian knife is brand, really. It's very sharp. One of the best knife in the world, I guess. Look, it's paper. It makes it very easy. It goes very easy. Each this knife can do like this. And this is a piece of frozen meat. Look, very easy. Without any problem, like a butter. But it's frozen like a stone. It's a meat. Really amazing work of our blacksmiths. They know the secrets how to do this blade very sharp. It's maybe not easy, but you can see. It's, by the way, horse meat. If you didn't try it, I advise you. Very tasty. Look. Like this. So, and our festival name is Woodford Furnace Festival, right? So, can we show our furnace? You can see it, our traditional furnace. Nothing is changed since long time. It's traditional. Can you have a look? It's written rune letters, because our folk Saha came from the Turk people. And in the Sata area was found these letters. Now we're seeing the process of the creating the iron from the local metals, what we find here a few days ago, and now it's gonna be iron, tempered.
Üçüge yen alaspa, üçü